Hello, I am Sayyid Mushabbar Sadiq. We have created this channel named Mushabbar to raise awareness, to support education, to learn variety of skills and to share experiences. This channel is going to help you to discover the whole universe, to open up endless opportunities for you to materialize them to achieve your goals. In this channel, we are going to talk about variety of topics that are important for the global community. For example, information security, privacy, risks management, national security and public safety, business development, entrepreneurship, online business, the global economy, the global financial markets, blockchain, central banks, artificial intelligence, robotics, the global social systems and variety of governance model. These are different kind of topics that we are going to cover in this channel. We are confident that this channel is going to have a huge impact. This channel is definitely going to change lives of some of the people. Please help us in doing this. About me, I have about 23 years of international experience covering these topics. From last 24 years, I have been based in Sweden. I am the first ever international master's student from Pakistan to Sweden. From Sweden, I have completed 3 international technical master's degrees and several PhD level courses on variety of these topics. If you want to know more about me, then please look at my LinkedIn profile. If you like this video, please help us to spread this video to the whole globe. Share this video to your friends and family members. So please subscribe to this channel, press the bell icon and stay tuned. Thank you to all of you. Goodbye.